Alright, I'm going to make a so-called haul video, showing what I bought in the supermarket today. Here is the bag. Himalayan pink salt. Vinegar. This is 24% vinegar. Heinz beans in a rich tomato sauce. Sponges. Dish brush. Bullens Pilsner korv. These are organ meat. Sausages. They have organ meat in them. Organic coconut milk. This comes from the ICA supermarket. Different type of coconut milk, different brand. Gevalia organic instant coffee. Turmeric. Black pepper. This is the store's own brand. Sodium bicarbonate. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, aka vitamin C. I bought this Carolina Reaper pepper, the world's hardest pepper, it says. Ginger. Bicarbonate. Chili powder. There you go. So, this is what I bought in the supermarket today, ICA supermarket. Left to right. Chili powder. Super strong Carolina Reaper pepper. Vitamin C, aka ascorbic acid. Turmeric, this is the store's own brand, ICA basic. 100 grams ground turmeric. Ginger. Finely ground black pepper. Gevalia organic instant coffee powder, sodium bicarbonate, 2 cans of organic coconut milk, store's own brand, ICA, and then Santa Maria light coconut milk, Bullens Pilsner korv. So these are canned sausages with organ meat in them. One of my favorite sausages to buy. Heinz beans in a rich tomato sauce, 3 of those. Himalayan pink salt, and vinegar, 24%. So let's go left to right again. And brushes, a brush and sponges, cleaning sponges. And now I'm going to replace the filter cartridge for my filter pot and then make my REHYDRATION drink. So here's my filter pot, came out of washing machine. I'm gonna get the replacement filter cartridge. Here we are, it's the replacement filter cartridge. put this in. Complete garbage. This is garbage. What's in there? And the first part of you, after putting in a new filter, you fill it up, let it go through, and then pour it out. The first liter or so after putting in the filter. Yeah, so now I'm going to make my do-it-yourself natural rehydration drink. It's a glass bottle, and I'm still waiting for this to run through. So here we go. I'm gonna use some of the things that I bought today in the supermarket. This is Himalayan pink salt, Falk salt, Flink salt, Himalayan pink salt. And this is Santa Maria light coconut milk. And this is concentrate strength, which means I'll make a full liter. Concentrate strength, which means I'll drink a little bit, pour more water, put it in the fridge, drink a little bit later, pour more water. So concentrate strength means you dilute it with water. So here's the pink salt. And what I don't like about this is like it's very hard to open and clean. Like, what I could have done is gotten a scissor, I guess, and cut the corner. So anyway, pour in the Himalayan pink salt. This is my natural beef self rehydration drink concentrate recipe. And here's a B complex. This is creatine. Some vitamin C. This is vitamin C powder. Ascorbic acid, aka vitamin C. And as I said before, this is concentrate strength, which means I'll drink a little bit, add more water. And this might be for 2 or 3 days. Keep it in the fridge. So, it's my natural do-it-yourself rehydration recipe. Oh, no, I forgot the coconut milk. So, the basic recipe for the do-it-yourself rehydration drink is Himalayan pink salt and coconut milk and water. About a teaspoon to a tablespoon of coconut milk per liter, and then about you could say a tablespoon of coconut milk, and about a flat teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, and then you dilute it. So that's the natural good self-rehydration recipe, and it's better than the commercial ones because it doesn't have sugar and doesn't have chemical sweeteners in it. There you go. 9 minutes. I gotta pour this over into a fresh bag. Keep it fresh. Keep it through the full moisture. Here you go. Let's do this. Okay. Whole and do-it-yourself rehydration drink and water filter replacement, all in one video, less than 10 minutes. Whole, do-it-yourself rehydration drink and filter replacement.